Can anyone tell me what day of the week it is?
Yes.
What is today?
Thursday.
That is correct. And today we will start off with a story. And does anyone remember what the story title is?
Yes.
What is?
Unicorn Wings.
Perfect. And they're going to read it in unity. So please stay tuned.
Once there was a unicorn. He was white like the moon.
Perfect.
And his horn was magic. I could make rainbows.
Perfect. Let's go to the next page.
It could make muddy water clear.
Perfect.
I could fix cuts and broken bones.
Perfect. And let's move to the next page.
The unicorn didn't care about his magic coins.
He wished he did what?
He wished he had wings.
Perfect. Let's go to the next page.
The unicorn went to the castle. The castle had a garden. And it was fed up with flowers and butterflies.
Perfect. Let's go to the next page.
I wish I had wings like you.
Ah.
The unicorn said to a butterfly, my wings are too tiny for you.
Who said that?
The butterfly.
Perfect. Let's go to the next page.
The unicorn went in the wood. He looked up in the tree.
Okay, perfect. And the birds flew and landed into the tree branches. Let's go to the next page.
I wish I had wings like yours, said the unicorn.
Who did he say that to? To a what?
To a blue bird.
Okay, perfect.
My wings are the one color for you.
Who said that?
The blue bird.
Okay, perfect. Let's go to the next page.
The unicorn went to a pond, and the frog jumped, and the dragonfly flies.
They buzzed. Good job.
Snowy white swan swam into the water.
Perfect. Let's go to the next page.
The unicorn walked on.
See?
He came to the sea. He lay down and fell asleep.
Awesome. Let's go to the next page.
Something touched the unicorn nose. He opened his eyes. There was a white horse with white wings.
Perfect.
But one of the horse's wings drooped and
It was what?
it was hurt.
Yes, it was hurt. Let's go to the next page.
The unicorn stood up and he put his horn to the horse's wing.
And the wing grew what?
Didn't it drip anymore?
It didn't drip anymore, but what did it become first before it didn't drip anymore?
Stronger.
Stronger. That is correct. Let's go to the next page.
The white horse spread her wings. She flew towards the rising sun.
Perfecto! Let's go to the next page. Awesome.
I wish I had wings like that, said the unicorn. He looked down sadly.
He did look down sadly. Next page.
He saw himself in the water. He had big white wings.
Okay, perfect. And the unicorn stretched out what?
Stretch out his wings.
Okay. And next page.
Then he flew around the white winged horse. The unicorn wanted to say thank you.
Okay, and that was an awesome story. Thank you so much for joining us for that story.
Next, we are going to show you how to make rainbows at home.
Okay, awesome. And what do they need to create these rainbows at home?
Water, a flashlight, and a jar, and a CBD,
A CD, okay. And what else? A mirror.
The mirror is the paper.
Yeah, so the paper can capture the reflection of the rainbow. Okay, and we are going to start it now. Stay tuned. Okay, so you can slightly see it. We're using the CD and a flashlight from a phone. And you can slightly see it when it's maybe a little distance away. But the closer that you make it, the brighter it will become. So just give us one moment. Okay, now that we are closer, you can completely see a circle of rainbow. What do you guys think?
Awesome.
And this is with the CD. And the next one that we'll do is which one? Are we gonna do the water or the mirror?
The water.
Okay. Stay tuned for the next one.
See the rainbow on the paper slightly.
Awesome.
If you move it closely, this is what it looks like.
This is amazing. Do y'all like this experiment so far?
Yeah. This is the third rainbow that we created with water, watermelon.
Perfect.
When the timer stops.
Oh, so when you get closer in, you can really see it. You see?
Yes.
This is really awesome.
You draw a rainbow on the napkin.
Okay, let's begin. Okay, perfect. 2 more colors to go.
Blue.
It's okay. Okay, next color. It's okay. It's okay.
This color not working.
No, it's trying out. It's okay though. Go to the last color. Just a little bit. Okay, pass it. Put it and spread. Okay, perfect. Pass it back. Pass it back.
What makes a rainbow?
Okay. And does anyone know what makes a rainbow?
Yeah!
Okay, can you tell us?
It was created when the light enters a droplet.
That is correct. Awesome.